Hello students, how are you? Good morning. Once again, welcome to computer online class. Today we will learn disk cleanup from lesson 2. Already we have learned about menu bar, control panel, adding and remove programs, changing mouse setting. So the last topic is disk cleanup. Okay. Disk cleanup. The disk cleanup tools is used to free up space on your hard disk by finding and listing the files that you can safely delete. You can delete some or all the files. Sometimes in your hard disk there will be lot of storage. You have to remove it. You have to clean up. For example, you can use disk cleanup to do the following. What you will do? You have to remove downloaded program files. Okay. The files which are not required. Okay. For that file you should remove. The next thing, you can empty the recycle bin. Once, if you delete any image, picture, document, where it is going and storing? It is storing in the recycle bin. You again open your recycle bin and you do empty. The third one, you remove the optional Windows components that you are not using. If there is any Windows optional which you are not using, you can remove that also. And even if any program which is installed and that you are not using for longer use, you can also remove that. So try to always do disk cleanup. This some of the following point what I have told you. Now I will tell you how you will start disk cleanup process. Okay. So now see steps by steps. When you want to do the disk cleanup, first what you have to do, you have to go to My Computer. That is in Window Explorer or My Computer. When you go to My Computer, right click the disk in which you want to free up space. See, when I open My Computer, then you have seen local C drive. Okay, I want to clean this local C drive. So what I have done? I have done right click. After that you click on properties. Okay. So for example, to clear unnecessary files from C drive, what I have done? Right click on it. From the drop down menu that appears, you select properties. A window will opens up as I am showing you how the one window will open when you click on properties like this. One window will opens up. As you can see in your figure 2.20 in your textbook. Now click on performance information and tools. Okay, where you have to click? See, here it is there. Performance information and tools. The second steps. First, where you have clicked? Properties. Then you click on where? Performance information and tools. And then click on Open Disk Cleanup. Then you have to click where? The Open Clean Disk Up. The disk cleanup will open. See, now I am showing you. See this one. The disk cleanup will open. And once you click, the disk cleanup opens up. The disk cleanup process will start. So once you click on that, then it will take to remove the cleaning up. Okay, this is how you can clean your disk drive. See here, the third one. Got my point? How you are doing, how you want to clean your file. See, once again you see. First go to My Computer. Then on the My Computer, we have taken one example, local C drive. do right click on that. When you do right click, there are very sub options are coming. From there you have to click on where? Properties. When you click on properties, a window will open. After that you have to click on open disk cleanup. Before that you have to click what? You have to click on performs information and tools. Once you click on perform information and tools, and then click on open disk cleanup. After that what you have to click? Open disk cleanup. The disk cleanup box will open up and the cleaning process will start. Hope student you have understood how to clean your what? The tools, how to clean or free up space from your hard disks. And you have to, which all files are not required, you can delete it. You make a list, the file that can be safely deleted. You can delete some files also. Even you can remove some file from your downloaded program files. You can empty the recycle bin, and you can remove install programs that you no longer use. Once you do the disk cleanup, you will get a lot of space in your computer. Even your computer will work fast. Sometimes the computer will hang. Some window you want to open and it will be taking lot of times to open. Why? Because of this too large storage capacity. So you can do. Even there are more two other ways where you can do the disk cleanup process. For that you go to start the disk cleanup process, then click start. Then when you click on start button, type that cleaning in the search program and file box and then press enter. Or click start, point at all program, point at accessories, then you go to system tool and then click on disk cleanup. Students, got it how to do? Once you come to school, I will show you in practical. You all will learn how to do disk cleanup. Thank you students for listening my online class. All of you take care and be safe at home. Bye.